Welcome, apprentice.
An apprentice is someone requiring instruction to gain the appropriate skills in the role they are aiming for. You are now a Gridiron apprentice learning how to be a gridiron builder. Let's get started with the basics. We'll begin with Module 1, where you will learn the name and LeBe of a tile, and we'll start by tapping on your observation skills. Observe the connection between the labels of a tile, its name and its LeBe. Here's an AB tile. Its name is AB, and its LeBe is A and B. Here's an A square tile. Its name is A square, and its LeBe is A and A. Let's take a quiz to see if you got it. Are you ready? Let's go. State the name and LeBe of each tile. You have 10 seconds to complete the task. Begin. Managed to get them right? You can continue and do another similar quiz, or use the bookmark in the description box to move on to see what this module has to do with algebra. State the name and LeBe of each tile. You have 10 seconds to complete the task. Begin. Managed to get them right? You can continue and do another similar quiz, or use the bookmark in the description box to move on to see what this module has to do with algebra. State the name and LeBe of each tile. You have 10 seconds to complete the task. Begin. Managed to get them right? You can continue and do another similar quiz, or use the bookmark in the description box to move on to see what this module has to do with algebra. State the name and LeBe of each tile. You have 10 seconds to complete the task. Begin. Managed to get them right? This is the last quiz of this series.
Easy, right?
Let's move on to see the algebra connections.
Gridiron tiles make use of a very basic geometrical connection, that the length multiplied by the breadth of a rectangle equals its area. Gridiron challenge designers created the term LeBe to refer to the length and the breadth of the tile. And the name of the tile represents its area. Each letter represents a number whose value we probably don't know. Next, let's look at some language of algebra. 1. While the multiplication sign is absolutely essential in numerical expressions, it can be done away with in algebra. 2. When the length and breadth are the same, we use an index. For example, 3 times 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. Similarly, b times b equals b to the power of 2. 3. When either dimension is 1, the area is numerically equal to the other dimension. So this is how the A tile, Y tile, and 1 tile look like. Finally, just as the dimensions and area of a rectangle are not affected by its orientation, the LeBe and name of a tile are also not affected by its orientation. Alright, let's check on your understanding of the name and LeBe of a tile. State the label covered by each emoji. You have 10 seconds to complete the task. Begin. This is easy, isn't it? Congratulations on your successful completion of Gridiron Challenge, Apprentice Level, Module 1.